Okay, here we go. Now, yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, we're looking at LOPE. So, right now, Grand Canyon University, their stock went up unexpectedly. Went up a lot. So, yeah, I'm not going to be able to do much with this call. I'm going to try to roll it to the next expiration and see how we do. Wow, that's not good. Look at that. They want me to pay $3. Nope, I don't think so. So I'm going to go out. Oh, that is already to March. Yep, that's not going to work out for me. Alright. Rolling up is not going to work. Oh, no. Down. That would work, but put me at more risk. So at $96.67. And we have 100 shares. Okay. So I decided, okay, I want to make some more money on it, right? Generate some cash flow. And now I'm kind of stuck. I sold the call at 110, and the stock is at 117. So I don't got a lot of choice here. I'm just going to let the thing execute. There's not much I can do. I could close the stock and hope it goes higher, but 120 is about the ceiling right now. It's not going to go much higher. 118, 120 is max, I think. It'll come back down. So next week I might sell a cash covered put. Anyway, it'll free up some capital in this account until I can play with some more stuff. That'll be fun. Be sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and we'll make some money together. You know, you win some, you lose some. You win more than you lose. That's what counts.